ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ነው።
Which is say two, meaning the ratio between these two consecutive terms is known as a certain constant number. This constant number what we call common ratio for the given sequences. So such kind of sequence what we call the geometric sequence. Whereas in the case of arithmetic sequence, sometimes this arithmetic sequence is known as the arithmetic progression. Sometimes this geometric sequence is known as the geometric progressions. So in this case, the ratio between two consecutive terms is constant, and this is the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. To see for them detailing, we can say the first part is the arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. What we call the constant, which means let it be here, let A1, here A2, and A3, and extra and etc. Let A and B arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, we can say. The difference between this and we can say A2 minus A1 is equal to and again say A3 minus A2, which equals to A4 minus A3, which all are equals to AN minus, let's say AN minus 1. AN minus 1 means the term is before the AN. So all these are some constant number. This constant number is what we call the the common difference. What we call this number is common difference. What we call say D. Which means we can express that here. We can say A1 is equal. A2 is equals to. We can add, if we have here the difference between all these are say 3, we can add here. So 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 plus 3 is 14, and the next term is 14 plus 3, meaning that in every term we can add that constant number we can say the common difference, so that the second term here, A2 means the sum of say A1 plus common difference D. And again, the third term is A3 means here. A3 means we can say either the second term plus the common difference or the sum of this the first term twice of what the common difference. So we can say A3 is equals to A1 plus 2 times of D, 2 times of the common difference. And again A3 means A4 equals to A1 plus 3 times of D, and again A5 is exactly equals to A1 plus 4 times of D. Now students, please observe these patterns carefully. the difference between the consecutive terms here. If this is this number is 2, it becomes 1. Actually, from this part, there is a constant d. If you continue in such a way, we can have there is a constant here. If it is, you have to have an here. We have to have the number, the value say a1 as equals to a1 plus some constant number times of the common difference d. But what will be the number here is that we must observe the sequences here. If it is 2, the multiplication factor is say 1, the difference is say 1. If it is say 3, the multiplication factor for d called coefficient is say 2. If this part is say 4, the coefficient is say 3. So the difference, if it should be n, there should be say here n minus 1, n minus 1. Look, which means that the general terms of the sequence is given as an. So this is known as the nth terms of the geometric, the arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, the arithmetic progression. You can make this.